Computers. What are computers basically? Computers has a great impact on our daily lives. According to our recent data, there are 3,342,117,546 users all over the world. That's a pretty big number. If you are a total beginner, then this video course is for you. Hello and welcome to GoTech. Well, the Google says a computer is an electronic device which is capable of receiving data in a particular form and of performing a sequence of operations in accordance with a predetermined but valuable set of programs to produce a result in the form of information or signal. But in simple terms, a computer is an electronic device which allows users to store information, process that information, and show some output to the user in a meaningful manner with that information. This is the basic process by which a computer works. Most common uses of computers are it stores, formats, and prints text files. It runs different kinds of software. It maintains sales accounts, budget, and financial statements in the company. You can literally access any information or resources from anywhere at any time. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. It is widely used in mailing, and yeah, how can we forget? You can watch movies, listen to music, and play games with the computer. Do you know who is the father of the computer? Write to us in the comment section below, and do like and subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.